few
This
things to
conference
really
will
go
now be
over.
recorded.
All right, as always, everything that we're going to be talking about today for educational purposes only, and nothing is intended as any type of investment advice. So overall, it pretty much showed us exactly what we were looking for this morning. You know, things definitely took a little bit longer to kind of get into the, to the swing of things. But overall, having that patience just gave us a ton of really great trades from this morning. So I just have a few things to go over. We obviously, based off the chat, know most of what is moving out there, but a few things that I do want to bring up now. DGLY, another one, based off the buying that we had earlier this morning and based off the buying that we've had during this building phase pretty much all afternoon, we should be able to really crush that double top that's sitting there right at 540. So really what I'm just looking for in this case is just some shorter term prints to show us that this thing is really going to let go. This 525 right here definitely shows a little bit of building right before we started, about 10 minutes before our meeting. But other than that, I mean, it doesn't need much more buying. It's just the fact that it's sitting at that 5 psychological level. So overall, once again, we have all the buying that we need to really be able to take off, just looking for those shorter term prints to show us that we're really going to be able to let go. And then obviously volume is going to be a huge deal with that. Next thing I'm going to be looking at is OXY. So I know that, it's something that we actually have been looking at quite often, but overall, if you look how smooth this stock has been today, it's just been absolutely phenomenal. And coming down towards that 19 level, we can see we have some decent prints. They're actually a bit larger than what the print personality is, and our reaction right afterwards to show that selling underneath. So another one, overall, it's just, time to go under 10. Without a shadow of a doubt, we need a few more prints coming in, but once again, it's just such a smooth trading stock. The volume is absolutely phenomenal. So another one I'm going to be watching pretty closely this afternoon. And then UONE is one that I'm going to be watching coming into the afternoon. This is going to go on our side list. But overall, based off the volume that we got to push up towards our 7, the buying at 650, the buying at 6, and everything that we had above there, I would not be shocked to see this thing take another run. So the volume has just been kind of stuck in almost a valley at this point because of how low that it's been going. And there's really nothing that's giving us signs. I mean, we just had some nice ass prints that came in at 4. And when I say nice, I mean it's okay compared to what we're actually seeing, just because the volume has been so bad that we're kind of pulling back from now. But once again, I'm going to be looking for a trigger, something that's just completely out of the norm. We're talking about 150,000 shares, up to 200,000 shares, something really big to come in for a trigger towards that upside. It's on our side list for that obvious reason that it's not really trading whatsoever, but that's exactly the game plan that I have for it. And it really does have the prints to be able to get back up there. So other than that, I mean, everything else we pretty much have been talking about in the chat. I mean, our airlines, our cruise lines, everything like that, are definitely moving. RCL, I would definitely keep an eye on. Very, very smooth trade that, that's going on today. CCL, obviously, another one. NCLH, another one that's a little bit slower. So, I'm going to kind of move towards the other ones. But we just need the trading volume. This is going to be like this all summer. Really the volume is the number one thing that we're going to be having to look for in the afternoon. All right, guys. Now, anything else out there that I missed? Anything else that we have going on? All right, perfect. So that is about it. So let's get ready for our afternoon. I will talk to everybody in the chat, and happy trading.